Oh, my arm. Oh.
Ben! Ben! Over here! In the abandoned shack!
Thought I'd never make it out of there.
Oh, God. Oh, got hit right in the chest.
Yeah, we can fend off the zombies in this abandoned shack.
All right, man. Maybe we should just shack a people tonight. Sleep out here. Oh, yeah. Oh, who the hell would you? Oh.
What I found. There's ammo, too. So you found most of the zombies in this.
All right. That should kill us.
Let's get ready. They'll be coming.
All right, man.
Staying here overnight. They'll probably meet us in the morning.
All right, man. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, my God. Oh, my Jesus.
Yeah, I found something we can block up the hole with. I think if we keep that there overnight, the things won't be able to get to the second floor. We can wait till morning and fend them off. Yeah.
So, what's your story?
Nothing really. It's just go to my dear wife's grave and the things started to attack me. What's yours?
Well, it was about Ballard, this diner. Guy dead shot next to me. One of those things managed to make it in the diner. And this guy coming with this hot shoot gun, like M16 or something. He was tearing up the place. I saw one of those things take 30, no, maybe 40 hits and keep on coming. And then took a shot in the head. And that brought it down. The thing is, you gotta get it in the head.
I think I can do that with this.
Oh well.
Better stay up all night. Wait for him out till morning.
Here, have some Henrys.
Nah, I'm okay for now. Thanks anyways. So,
Alright, pass it back this way.
I think we'll just stay up all night. Wait out till morning to fight him off.
Alright, that'll be good.
Yeah. Shit.
Rob, look out. I'm falling asleep.
Oh, God. Things haven't attacked us yet.
Things could be anywhere now.
I can hear them. They're coming. Come on.
Holy shit, there's one! God damn it, this fucker's gonna die. Die, damn it!
Holy shit, there's another one. You motherfucker, die! Yeah, I know, good thing we got him. Ah, shit, the bodies are gone.
What the fuck? Oh my god, those motherfuckers. That's it. Oh, kill them. Kill them.
Heads up.